Would you know what's coming down the sky? You can guess, but don't even try. Hail or rain, or low pressure zones, thunderstorms, typhoons, or tropical cyclones. Whether or not it's rain or shine, weather wizards will make it fine. Be weather wiser to save your day. Be cool, be weather wiser today. Learning's fun with a weather wizard.
Whee! Guys!
Whoa! What's up, Tina Tilapia?
I'm so excited! My Auntie Tuna's finally coming home from her vacation.
Ooh, a vacation?
That's right! Every typhoon season, Auntie Tuna's part of the ocean gets so hot. She and her other fish friends go and party in another cooler part of the sea. She says it's her migration time. And she always brings back cool stories with her as pasalubong.
Oh my! Migration vacation!
I'm happy for you, Tina. At least there's some happy family news.
Why so down, Miko?
Yikes! Kuya Adonis, is that you? You sound like Miko's mama.
What's wrong?
That's what's wrong. My mama said, and she says it's because she can't lay eggs in this weather. She's uninspired.
Wow, you guys, you seem to have it bad. And all because of the weather. Even Mama Chicken sounds ill. We're so used to the tropical climate we have. Changes in the weather makes us sick.
Weather? Climate?
I've heard Auntie Tuna use those words too. What's the diff?
I'm sorry, can't take it anymore. I need the bathroom.
Excuse me, I have to go. Oh, come on.
Whoa, what's happening to those two?
The rainy season got them good.
Excuse me! Now, as I was saying, what's the difference between weather and climate?
Yeah, I was wondering that too. Kuya Neil, do you think you can ask our weather app about it?
No problemo.
Maayong buntag! Weather is the condition or the state of the air or the atmosphere at any time. These include temperature, or how hot or cold it is, precipitation, or rain, air pressure, and cloud cover, or how cloudy it is. Climate, on the other hand, is the general pattern of weather for a particular place. Here in the Philippines, because it is almost always sunny one half of the year, and wet and rainy for the other part, we have been classified as a tropical climate.
Perfect for vacations.
And there you go.
I don't think I can take this anymore.
Me neither. Tito Mike? Kuya Neil? What can we do about what we're feeling?
Well, let's go ask Tito Nilo. He knows best.
Feeling down? Sickness got you in a frown? Rainy weather and changes in temperature can make you sick. Lot of bacteria and viruses thrive during the rainy season. Both animals and humans alike are affected. Colds or fever are very common illness to have. Luckily, here's what you can do. First, have your temperature taken. 37 degrees is what's normal for humans. If it's any higher, that means you have a fever and are sick. Because your body is hot, it's important to stay cool. You can put ice packs on your forehead. However, if you are feeling chilly, put on a blanket to stay warm.
There you go, Mama Manok.
It's very important to get a lot of rest and drink lots of fluids. Water and juice, rich in vitamins, can help you get better much faster. Medicines can also help too. Have your parents ask your doctor what medicine you can take to get better. Now remember, a fever is a symptom of another illness. If it's been 3 days and you're not yet feeling better, you should have the doctor check up on you.
It's always best to be prepared.
And always remember, stay safe and dry when it rains, guys, so you won't get sick at all.
We will. Bye, Tito Nilo. Thank you very much for those tips.
Thank you so much for taking care of us. I'm actually starting to feel better already.
So you better make sure to rest up well, Pil. Then we can all play.
Then when I get well, I'll be able to play too.
She's been laying lots of eggs and she's very happy.
Now, as Tito Nilo said, you guys should go get a lot of rest.
Get well soon!